focused. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today welcome to a skincare routine. It's not really a skincare routine as much as it is like how to remove your dusty makeup. My makeup is never dusty. I mean, look at me. Ooh, this is so not fall, by the way. I know, not season appropriate whatsoever. My nails very much kind of are. Not really, it's giving winter. I don't know. Today I'm telling y'all how I remove this makeup, and for that we need to get our sleeves up because this is hard work. My makeup, it's been on my face for not that long actually. It's been on my face for like 4 hours. You know, life of a content creator. Do makeup, take pictures, take videos, take reels, TikToks, and that's that. Then you take it off. Today, we're gonna be taking off the makeup. I'm gonna show you all my tips and tricks, okay? My favorite cleansers, removers, things like that. And then I'm gonna be showing you kind of as a bonus, just kind of the skincare that goes on afterwards. It's not that different from the other skincare, but I do have some new products to introduce. This is basically a makeup eraser. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a cloth that kind of acts like a cotton pad, but it's not cotton, it's reusable, therefore better for the environment. This is washable, and I'm just going to take a little end of this, you know, put my finger in it, and then I'm going to take the Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water Makeup Remover. Really love this. And I'm going to start by taking off my lashes. Sometimes I rip them off. It's not what you're supposed to do. If you rip off your lashes, you will go to jail. But I basically kind of wet the tip and I'm just gonna rub it on my lash line to loosen up the glue. It's also gonna take off some of the makeup I do have around it, but you see how easy that just like peeled off? I'm just gonna hit this part of my face because I have a lot of difficulty getting makeup off like that little corner just with my fingers. I look a little weird, a little rough maybe. Next product I'm gonna take is a cleansing balm. I love cleansing balms. If you're someone who's very makeup heavy, good cleansing balm a day keeps the doctor away. They just take off makeup so much better than like regular things do. So I'm just gonna go with the Juno Skin Clean 10 Cleansing Balm. This was actually sent to me, but this video is not sponsored. They did sponsor a TikTok though, so I'm just gonna be very clear on that. Compared to other like cleansing balms I've used, they have literally the same kind of performance. It removes makeup just as good as my Glow Recipe one, but I mean there is a price difference, but you know what I mean, like it removes makeup just as good as the Glow Recipe, the Clinique one. Sorry, I'm trying to think about the ones I've used. A Pharmacy Green Clean. It all removes makeup the same to me. The only difference is that this one kind of is like oilier than it is balmy. I do believe Juno & Co gave me the code. I don't remember what it is, but I'll put it on the screen. It is an affiliate code, however, so if you use it, I make money. This is what it looks like. Oh wow, I've used a lot of it. They give a little scoop, so I'm gonna take a scoop this much. I'm not wearing a lot of eyeshadow right now, so this is probably going to be enough. Magic trick, you know, you just warm it up. Oh, and then look, your hands are supposed to look like wax after you're done doing this, and then we're just gonna melt away the makeup. And really get the lashes. Like I have a lot of issue with mascara sometimes. The next step is to use a little bit of water and emulsify. If you guys are in the skincare world, you've probably heard this from a bunch of skincare influencers, but emulsifying kind of just gives a deeper clean to your first cleanse. You can't really see it that well, but the makeup, as soon as I rinse my face, it's all gonna be off. And what I'm gonna do now is go rinse my face off, wash it with my cleanser. I'm gonna bring back my cleanser to show you guys what it is, and then we're just gonna continue the skincare routine super quickly because I'm not focusing on the actual skincare routine, rather how I take off my built for war makeup. Cleanser I use is the Karine Jonka 4-in-1 Dermal Cleanser Gel with collagen. I don't know, maybe you can see it right now. I don't actually really like that cleanser. I feel like it's too stripping on my skin, but the thing is, the last cleanser I tried before that one was way too like not cleansing enough. I'm gonna use the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Can you believe I just talked about sustainability, yet I'm using these? I got holiday set and this was in it and I hadn't realized. I thought it was another cream. So because I have it, I'm going to use it, but I don't recommend products like this. Like if they have a toner, I think maybe you should go for it, but I usually, you know, I don't usually go for things like this, and I only use this about 4 times a week. So I'm gonna go in with my prescription. I've talked about this before. This is adapalene and benzoyl peroxide. It's the dermatologist, you know, I use it very little because it's quite potent. Then I'm just gonna apply it in all the areas where I have acne and clogged pores. I think I'm gonna watch Criminal Minds, and then I will not be able to sleep for another 5 days. My moisturizer is the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. I've had this for quite a while. It's literally like I'm running out, but I'm pretty sure that tomorrow I'm getting an order where there's the like new moisturizers that I ordered. My makeup removing routine is really good for me and it works really nice, and this is what the focus of this video is. But like my normal skincare routine, I feel like doesn't do anything for me anymore. Then I'm gonna take the Symbiosis London Hyaluronic Acid and Pullulan Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. This is definitely not necessary. I got this in a BoxyCharm a while ago, and I just really like the smell of it, so that's why I use it. Sometimes I'm definitely more intense with it than I should be. I feel the intensity to be very aggressive about this, so you know, it's hard sometimes to scale it back. This is the CeraVe Baby. It's Baby healing ointment. You know, you buy things in Quebec, they're in French, so there's that. Do you see? Okay. Then I'm gonna warm it up on my hand because it's pretty, like it's pretty solid form. I'm gonna put it in areas where I tend to get dry, which is right around my eyes, right around my nose. These are parts that can get like irritated or dry easily, and I just want to avoid that. And right around my mouth right here. Then I have the Inkey List Succinic Acid Treatment. Helps reduce the appearance of imperfections. This is like a spot treatment, so any active pimples I have, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, like the really red pimples that I have. Can you see that I look like look at my scalp. Look at my scalp and look at my face. Do you see how, like the huge difference? I have very dense hair, so my scalp does not tan. For lip balm, I'm taking the La Neige Lip Treatment Balm. I really like this. I'm going to take a little bit of it and just boom. The set. Do y'all want to see my face up close? Ooh. My god, I don't think we need it to be that close. This is how my skin looks afterwards. As you can see, baby girl is breaking out. Baby girl is breaking out. But like the glorious, I think it's James Welsh, he says things like skincare perfection doesn't exist. That's not at all what he says, but he says some kind of variation of that. Maybe, girl, put it on the screen.
Skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist.
If you need a solid makeup removing routine, what I showed you at the beginning of this video is solid. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to share some products that you really like using, I would love to get some recommendations. Also, what's your favorite cleansing balm? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, tell me in the comment section down below other things you'd like to see me do, you know, some video suggestions. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, because we share things. We share things. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out again, and I will see you in my next video, or else you'll break out. Oh.